Hi guys, here I am on my second WhatsApp account, and I will try to send a chat on my main WhatsApp account. Okay, it's sent. And now I will delete my chat for everyone. If you think my WhatsApp chat really can't be seen by the recipient anymore, because I deleted it, you are very wrong. Now I will switch to my main WhatsApp account first. And yes, indeed the information here shows that this message has been deleted by the sender. Even so, I can still see this deleted WhatsApp message. The method is, go to Settings, open the notification menu, tap Advanced Settings, then open the Notification History feature. And voila! The deleted WhatsApp message is still stored well in this Android default feature. This feature is on by default, so you can use it directly to see someone's deleted WhatsApp messages. Okay guys, that's all for this short video. Hopefully it helps, and thank you for watching.